So the PowerPot was invented by David Toledo and Paul Slusser, and they formed a little team back in the fall of 2011, and in 2012 we decided to go to the crowds to try to raise a little bit of money to bring the PowerPot to market. And through a successful crowdfunding campaign, we were able to raise enough money to begin to build PowerPots. So this is the PowerPot. It is a quote-unquote thermoelectric generator that charges anything USB. And the way thermoelectrics make power is through a temperature difference. And we achieve a temperature difference with the PowerPot very simply. You add water to the pot, you stick it over a fire or heat source to heat up the pot. And since water is always colder than fire, you have a temperature difference which makes the power.
It was almost a year ago that we received an email, and it was from a couple of producers at the Shark Tank, and they reached out and said, "We think your product's really cool and we would like you to apply to be on Shark Tank." From an ongoing relationship after we closed the deal with Mark, it's remarkable how plugged in he is to our business. And then with his team of individuals, we feel like we have a huge amount of support and the ability to bounce ideas and give us some direction as we continue to try to grow this business.
We heard about ShipStation through the Mark Cuban company's organization. They decided to work with ShipStation because of a bunch of advanced features and things that really help expedite the whole shipping process, and so that was how we were first introduced to it, which honestly shipping has been something that was not easy in any way, shape, or form from the beginning. And so it kind of just brought it all together for us and really expedited the whole shipping process, which in reality is a huge part of doing business.
When we were introduced to ShipStation, being able to consolidate so many of these things that we had to do and have a really simple solution that was web-based and you click a button and labels print and you put them on a package was monumental. It was huge for us.
Having the ability to see multiple carriers on the same platform enables us to figure out what the cheapest way to ship whatever size product we're trying to ship, because at the end of the day, one thing that I've learned is that the rates vary so much that you can find substantial cost savings by shopping around, and ShipStation enables us to shop around in a very efficient manner.